Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix unable to load persistent data error in the Battlefield 2042. So I will show you the 4 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method we just need to check the server of the Battlefield. So in order to check the server of the Battlefield 2042, you just need to open the Down Detector website and then find here the EA folders and then check there the Battlefield. If the server of the Battlefield is down, then you have to just wait for 24 to 48 hours and your problem will be fixed by itself. In most of the cases, it is enough to restart your system and restart your Battlefield 2042 in order to fix your error. So you must try this method as well. Now moving to our third and the most effective method, you just need to open your Battlefield 2042 and then click on the option at the bottom left corner, and here you have to just click on the crossplay and make sure that this is in the off mode. Once you turn it off, you have to just move back and relaunch your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And our last and the final solution is that you just need to verify the integrity of your game files. For this you have to just open your Steam library and then right click on your Battlefield 2042 and then click on the properties, then click on the local files and then click on the verify integrity of your game files. After completing this process, relaunch your game and hopefully your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, visit my website. Whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.